Exercise set 2.2, question number 2 of chapter 2, class 9th. What we have given, we have to find out the value of the quadratic polynomial, which is 7s square minus 4s plus 6 if s is equal to 0. The first question, second question, first part is s is equal to 0. So find out. Yes, what we have to do, that is x is equal to 0. So put s is equal to 0 in this equation, that is 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So 7s square, that means 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 6. So that will become 7 into 0 square is equal to 0. So 7 zeros are 0, that will become 0, minus 4 multiplication with 0, it will also become 0, and then plus 6. So 0 0, these does not have any importance. Yes, so we have with 6 left. So the polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6 at s is equal to 0 is equal to 6. Now the second question is s is equal to minus 3. So putting the value s is equal to minus 3 in this particular equation, so write it 7 into s square, that means minus 3 whole square, right? Minus 4 into, and we have s, so at s is minus 3, then we have plus 6, right? So 7 into minus 3 square. If you will multiply minus 3 with minus 3, minus minus plus, and 3 3s are 9. So that will become 9. We will write here minus, okay, minus minus, minus 4 minus 3. So minus minus will become plus, and 4 3s are 12, plus 6. 7 9s are, you all know that, 63, plus 12 plus 6, you know the calculation, what it will be. That will be 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, plus 1 8, it will be 81. Check it out if the calculation is correct or not. Okay, now next question is s is equal to 4. Now we have to put the value s is equal to 4 in s, 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So write down 7 into 4 square minus 4 into 4 plus 6. So here it will become 4 4 is 16. We will write here minus 4 4 is 16 plus 6, and that will become 16 7 is 112, then minus 16 plus 6. We will add them, or we can subtract them as well, but okay, we will add them. 112 plus 6, that will become 118, minus 16, that will become 102. So this is the answer of 7s square minus 4s plus 6 if s is equal to 4.